Welcome to the topic series. My name is Roy Paulson, and today I'm going to be talking about the new climbing safety helmets that are on the market and how we've made adapters and cap brackets to fit those new helmets. First of all, these new helmets are wonderful. They have better protection than what the original hard hats were that everyone used for all these years. They have a much improved retention system to hold them on your head in case of an arc flash or a fall. And they're more conformal to the head, don't stick out as far, and great for confined space and for climbing. And they're really growing in popularity. This is the Kask model, and the Kask model is probably right there in popularity with Petzl. Petzl and Kask being the number one and number two. There's manufacturers galore in this field, and more or less every helmet manufacturer now has a climbing safety helmet. However, as they rushed to the market to get their helmets on the market, they didn't think about the accessories. Well, here at Paulson Manufacturing, we were watching all this occur, and we said, we need to make accessories that fit all these different helmets. So these helmets will all require a unique model of cap bracket to fit them because there's a big difference between the different helmets. So we've taken the Kask helmet, here as this example, and we've built a special cap bracket, which we call the weight compensating cap bracket, and we have special adapters that fit into the slots that are on the helmet. So again, this will be a unique model for every helmet. This is an AMP1 12 HTK for Kask. You'll notice how this comes back further than what you normally would see. That's because this is called a weight compensating bracket. And this, once assembled to the helmet, will allow it to be in a position that is weight centered right at the top of the helmet, and it won't be sticking out in front. You may be familiar with other manufactured products that have features such as a weight balancing attachment. This is much simpler. It's a simple pivot, but in a unique position. This also has our new press-to-release attachments. These small curved tabs that you see here and here snap into the helmet very easily, and very easily you can just push with your finger to release it and pull it back out. We call it a press-to-release feature. This shield also comes with the attachments to allow you to mount flashlights. It's the same as in our other AMP series in that the flashlight just slides on and is easy to remove, and so you can just put it on very quickly, turn the flashlight on. They're LEDs, they last a long time, and if you want to remove the whole entire assembly, it just comes off without tools. So now I'm going to demonstrate how to attach this new weight compensating bracket to this Kask helmet. So we have mounting slots like what you're familiar with on other helmets. And you just push this into the hole and push down, and you'll hear a little snap as it comes into its resting position. Snapped in, it's ready to go. Now I'll demonstrate this weight compensating feature. So this is the deployed position, and now as you bring it up, it comes back, locks into position, and you can see it's approximately right here, the same as the front of the helmet. And if I put my finger up in the center of the helmet, I'm balancing this whole unit on the tip of my finger in the center of the helmet. Now, if this was a conventional cap bracket that didn't have the weight compensating feature, this shield would be 6 to 8 inches out in front. And you could never reach up, put your finger in the center, and balance it on the tip of your finger like this. Down position, up and lock position. Now, okay, I want to get it off. You remember in the past, it was a wrestling match to get the cap bracket or the attachment off. Now, with the press to release, I just reach to the inside, press and push up, press in, push up. Unit comes right off easily, no stress. You can store that and have it so that you're ready to go for the next time. So this is the AMP1 12 HTK. It's a 12-calorie shield, ergonomic chin protector, mounting onto a Kask climbing safety helmet.